Today we decided to visit a town जिसकी population सिर्फ 55,000 है and it is divided into 11 districts. So the name of the town is Hattingen. बाहर the weather was very cloudy and it was raining as well. So मैं जल्दी भागा in order to save myself from the rain and from getting wet. Ran for 2 minutes and we reached the station. Station पहुँच के देखा Sunday था तो इसलिए ज़्यादा भीड़ नहीं थी and 10 मिनट में हमारी ट्रेन भी आने वाली थी. The train arrived and then we boarded the train. Surprisingly, I reached my destination early. This particular town, Hattingen, is located on the south bank of the river Ruhr in the south of the Ruhr region. So ये जो town था ना इसका mention first 1396 में हुआ था. This town was very famous for coal mining. During the Nazi rule, people were forced to work here as coal miners. And by 1720 there were 52 operating coal mines which made Hattingen one of the first industrial cities of the Ruhr region. Apart from that, the city of Hattingen was also very famous for timber framed houses which were built between the 14th and the 16th centuries, also known as Fachwerk in German. This church is a center point of the part of Hattingen that I visited. Now throughout the video all the architecture you are gonna see is same that I mentioned before, timber framed houses. The part of Hattingen that I was in, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे Italian restaurants थे. So the rain also started pouring very heavily and I also decided to go to a restaurant. The restaurant that I went to, उसको historic और modern look दोनों दिया हुआ था and it was looking very nice and cozy. The menu wasn't very big and उसको ना इन्होंने scroll का look देने की कोशिश की थी जिसमें पुराने लोग ships में से letter लिख के bottle में डाल के समुद्र में फेंक देते थे. So the first thing that I ordered was a lasagna. And being honest, it wasn't very good. After finishing the lasagna, the next thing I ordered, मैं भी वो सोच रहा हूँ कि मैंने वो क्यों ऑर्डर करी. It was a pizza. भाई मैंने इतना गंदा पिज़्ज़ा आज तक नहीं खाया. It was looking like they have just thrown everything on the pizza and just served it. It was one of the worst pizzas that I had in my life. I have this thing in me. जब भी मैं किसी इटालियन रेस्टोरेंट में जाता हूँ, after finishing the main course, I always order a side of tiramisu. And after having the first bite of it, it was also very average for me. You know what the strange part about this was? This place, आप जिस भी गली में चले जाओ सारी की सारी सेम लग रही थी. I was so confused where should I go next, अब कहाँ जाऊँ, and a lot of time it happened that मैं घूम फिर के सेम ही जगह पे आ जा रहा था. This is a very common thing in Germany. आप जहाँ भी जाओगे जर्मनी में, you will always find a rack of books. इसमें you will find a lot of books that you can take, read, keep it back, and it will cost you nothing. And अगर आपके पास कोई books हैं which you have read and you want to empty your bookshelves, you can keep them here. After spending 2-3 hours of my day here, it was time for me to head back. So guys, thanks a lot for watching and subscribe and stay tuned for more vlogs like these.